How to turn off notification on Grab application. Are guys facing issue to turn off notification on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, scroll down. You can see the option for settings. Tap on it. Now select the first option, communications. After you click on it, now just turn off all these options. Once you turn it off, you won't get notification from Grab application. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna turn off notification on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Grab, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.